Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to extract text from image in three approaches. The first approach, we are going to use the sniping tool. The second approach, we are going to use the Windows PowerToy, and the third approach, we are going to use OneNote. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Now let's get started. So to extract text from an image, you need to watch the video to the end because I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use all the three approaches, okay? So the first approach, the sniping tool. So to use the sniping tool, let me first open my image and then I'll demonstrate to you, okay? So to open the sniping tool, you click on the search and then you click on the sniping tool. But if you don't have it in the recent document or the recent apps, you click on the search and then you type sniping tool, okay? So I'm going to click on it quickly. And then we click on new. So we are going to select the text from the image like this, okay? And this is what we have now, okay? So we are going to click on this icon, test actions. So let me click on it. And then you see copy or test. That's what we are going to select or we are going to click on. So I'll click on copy or test. Then I'll minimize the sniping tool. And then I'll click on my text editor, okay? Then I'll paste it here. So you see, we've been able to copy the text from the image by using the sniping tool. It's very quick and simple. So you see, this is the text we have from the image. Okay, so this is the first approach, the sniping tool. Now we are going with the second approach, the Microsoft PowerToys. Okay, so let me close this. Don't save. So to use the PowerToy, if you don't have it installed already on your PC, you can download the PowerToy by clicking on the browser. And then you go to Google. You can use any browser of your choice, okay? And then you search for PowerToys. So we click on PowerToys download. Then we click on install PowerToys, okay? So you scroll down and then you click on GitHub. So this is where you can download your PowerToy, okay? You can download the 64-bit. You can download ARM 64-bit per your machine requirements, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I already downloaded and installed the PowerToy, so we are going straight to the demonstration. So let me close the browser. And then I'll open my PowerToy, okay? So let me click on the search and type PowerToy. So I'll click on it. So this is the PowerToy, okay? So let me quickly open my image. So we are going to extract the text from the image by using the PowerToy, which is the second option, okay? So you click on System Tools, and then you scroll down, and then you click on Text Extractor. So initially, it wouldn't be turned on. It will be like this. So you have to turn it on, and then you scroll down. So this is the shortcut to extract the text from the image, okay? Window logo plus Shift plus T. So let me close my PowerToy, and then I'll use the shortcut. So Windows logo plus Shift plus T. Okay, then I'll select the text from the image. Okay, so now it's copied to the clipboard. So I'll open my text editor and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is the second approach to extracting the text from the image by using the Windows PowerToy. Okay, now we are going straight to the third approach, which is the OneNote. So let me close the PowerToy and then I'll open my OneNote. Okay, then I'll demonstrate to you how to extract by using the OneNote as well. So to use the OneNote, let me quickly open my OneNote. So I'll type OneNote. Okay, so I'll open my OneNote. So in this case, we are going to copy the image into the OneNote. Okay, so I'll right click on my image file and then I'll click on copy. And then I'll paste it in the OneNote. Okay, so this is the image I have in my OneNote. Okay, so to extract the text from the image in the OneNote, you select the image and then you right click on it. And then you see copy text from picture. Okay, so we click on that, copy text from picture. and then you open your text editor. It can be your Word, PowerPoint, like your Word, uh, uh, um, Notepad, any text editor you have, and then you paste the image there. Okay, so let me delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, or let me close this as well. And then I'll copy it again. Copy text from picture. Then you open your text editor and then you paste it there. So you see, so you can use the sniping tool, the Windows PowerToy or the Microsoft PowerToys or the OneNote to extract text from a picture or from an image. Okay. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on the bell notification for more tech tips. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.